Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to easily disable ads in uTorrent pre-version software for Windows. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and go to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video descriptions, so you can click there and log into this website. Once you log into this website, you can see each web page, and now here what you need to do is you can see here download uTorrent web, or you can just scroll down to below, download uTorrent classic, or you can download the basic versions too here. In my opinion, firstly you download the basic versions because the tutorial is based on the free versions which will have the ads in it. So in this tutorial you should download this basic versions, so you download this free versions, as I've already downloaded and installed it in my Windows computer, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download and install it. So after installing, what you need to do is you open the uTorrent software. So on opening the uTorrent software, that is the free version one, you can see here advertisement, and on the left side bottom also you can see here the advertisement. So how you can hide or disable this advertisements? So for this, what you need to do is you can see here options, just click on it. Now click on preference. Now under the preference sections, what you need to do is you can see here in the bottom one, advanced, just tap on it, and you can see here filter. So under this filter box, just type one offers dot left. So you can see here offers dot left rel offer enable. So what you need to do, just click on it, and you can see here make it false, select the false and click. You can select it later on too, click OK also, but we'll need to do more things. So before clicking OK, just keep it, just select the false, and we'll find again other things which we need to change this kind of things. So next one is offers dot content. So you can see here it's already set in false, so let it be false. So we'll search more. Offers dot sponsored. So you can see here this one, so it's in true, so we'll make it false, select it. Now again we need some more to do corrections. Now you need to search for GUI dot show. So you can see here GUI dot show. Now which one you need to do is you can see here GUI show plus upsell. So you can see here, just select this, turn it false. Now there is one more here, GUI show non-torrents. As you can see, this one too, so just select it and make it also false. And the last one you need to do correction is bt dot enable. You can see here bt dot enable pulse, just make it false. Now you're good to go and click OK. Now voila, now no more ads is being displayed on your uTorrent free version. As you can see, it's being disabled or it's being hid. Sometimes it may show, but in most cases it will not show any more ads. So let's try opening the uTorrent again, if the ads is showing or not. So finally it works. So in this way you can disable the ads or hide the ads from your uTorrent pre-version software that is available for your Windows computer. So if you find these cool tips useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.